Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Honda CBR500R twin-cylinder sport bike. Really cool black and orange finish. Only 14,000 miles on this beautiful CB500R. It's got the dark smoked windscreen. Just ran through service. Everything checks out beautifully. Fresh oil change. Come on by. Make your sport twin dreams come true with this fuel injected 500cc liquid cooled lightweight sport. Only $57.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.